Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So today I'll be sharing with you how I make my vetiver soap. As you can see, I have my oil ready: beeswax, coconut, olive, and castor oil. My lye solution infused with vetiver roots, and we're gonna start by pouring our lye solution into the oil. As you can see, I'm using a strainer because I don't want those roots to fall in the oil. But even if I didn't have roots infused in my lye solution, I was still going to strain it just in case there's something in the lye solution. I'm also not going to use a stick blender. I'm going to use my silicone spoon to do the stirring because I do have beeswax in my oils. It's going to help me out to reach trace easily. And I do apologize for the blurriness in my video. Some parts of my video, there's some blurriness. Forgive me. I guess I came too close to the camera. So now I'm going to add my essential oil, vetiver essential oil, with a bit of lemongrass. Vetiver essential oil is very expensive, so you have to scrape out every little bit of it into the oil. Yeah. So we're going to stir and stir. Exercise is good. Exercise profited a little, but godliness much more. So let's do our stirring and stirring and stirring. Yeah, I'm looking for a light trace. Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, we just have to do some stirring. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's a small batch, so it won't take me forever just to reach trace. So now I'm adding my vetiver powder. I use my coffee grinder to make this powder, though I wasn't happy with the result. It wasn't as fine as I wanted it to be, but it's still working and I like how it looks in my mixture. Yeah, more stirring and more stirring and more stirring. Yeah, we're almost there. We're there now. Not almost there, but we're there. So this is the silicone mold I'm using. Yeah, so let's do some pouring. Yeah, soap number one, soap number two, and then soap number three. But guys, this is smelling so good. You know, vetiver has that woody scent and mixed with the lemongrass. It smells so good. And it looks good too. Those little particles of the ground vetiver roots, yeah, just standing out in the soap. So let's do some scraping to take out all the loveliness from the bowl. Yeah, I have to scrape out every little bit from this bowl. Yeah, so I don't know about you, but I couldn't get any vetiver essential oil where I live, so I had to buy it online, and it's on the pricey side. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not making this up to sell. It's just for personal use. Yeah, unless I get that perfect vetiver soap, that's when I'll think of selling it. But for now, we are trying out something. Yeah, there's two little bits. I'm gonna scrape and scrape until I get everything out of the bowl. Yeah, so now let's do some cleaning. Take out all those little drops here and there. Yeah. Then we shake it up so that the mixture settles properly and evens out even on the top. So I'm going to cover this with a similar mold. Sometimes what I do is I use a cardboard, and sometimes I even do some decorating on top, but this time I'm not going to do that. No, I'm just going to use a similar mold to trap that heat to help out in, during saponification. Yeah. So the following day, as you can see, I covered my soap with a similar mold. It's a mold. Oh my, look at how the covering has just ruined this soap on top. And oh my goodness, it's not ready. So what I'm going to do is try to put it back and then pop it in the freezer and it will come out easily. That's what I do with all the soaps that don't come out easily. Yeah. So the same evening, I took it out from the freezer and let's start with number one. Well, we're good. Um, it looks wounded there, but as you can see, it came out very easily. Yeah, there we go. It's popping out so nicely. Mm. Oh my, it has it has a dent. Yeah, I guess it's where I rested it in the freezer. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, not bad at all. And smells good. Smells really good. But after 4 weeks of curing, I tried this soap and I didn't really like how it felt on my skin. It was a bit rough. I guess the ground powder wasn't all that fine. So I have to try it next time. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So that's about it. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and continue to support us. Like and share. This is the recipe for the 1 pound, and I did just a half pound. So please enjoy. Try it out and let me know. Bye.